Why doesn't this controller work?
Raphael, that's a Star Trek communicator. That's not gonna work.
Oh, okay. Then why doesn't this one work?
Well, that is a great question. Let's figure that out.
Okay.
Hey, so I just wanted to make a quick video because I didn't see any other videos out there on YouTube for this, but I have two quarter arcade Ninja Turtle machines, the Turtles in Time and the original one. The original one, I actually bought secondhand. It came off like one of those freights or whatever of like all these lost goods or something, and I drove to the other side of town to buy it for half the price, probably even a little less, and everything worked on it perfectly. And I feel like I might have tested the USB inputs on it once, but when I tested it at least the other day, it wasn't working. So I opened it up and saw that a wire was disconnected, and now I'm opening up my Turtles in Time purchased brand new machine to see how that one's wired, just to make sure it's correct. So this is my Turtles in Time machine I purchased brand new, and everything works on this perfectly. And you can see here the cable right there is still connected, but up here there was two places where it could be plugged into, and I wanted to make sure I was going to plug it into the right one. So you can see there it's plugged in to that port and not this one. I don't know what that one's for, but they look like they're the same size. So that is the only reason why I had to open this machine up, just to see which port they would plug into. And this was because the issue I was having was none of the USB inputs were working down here. The extra ones. So the ones that you turn on the machine, and these all worked perfectly fine. But on my other machine down there, these ports were not working correctly. So, like, none of them. I plugged into all of them, you know, turning the machine on and off, blah, 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 blah. Nothing worked. But yeah, there was no reference material on the internet whatsoever for this. And maybe I'll be the only person to ever have this problem, but just in case anybody else has this problem in the future, hopefully this helps somebody out. So I can see on this, it's plugged in right there and works perfectly fine on this machine. I'm hoping when I plug it in on my non-working, or at least the bottom part non-working, the USB port's not working. See, it's disconnected like that. It's completely just hanging down there. And it should be up there in that port on the right. So right there. So I'm gonna plug it in and hopefully it works. So I loaded it up, plug it in, plug into this. I'm using the official quarter arcade joystick. It was on sale on Amazon, so I picked one up. That's when I realized I had these issues, because I never tried plugging into this one before, I don't think. All right, let me go ahead and just try it right now. Works. All right, so that seems like it worked. And the way this machine works is, it doesn't matter what port you plug into down here, you can't choose your character. You're always going to be Leonardo. But if you plug in more than one port, then the next person will be Michelangelo, the next person will be Donatello, the next person will be Raphael. So it's just the order of these being plugged into when you have more than one USB stick plugged in. But otherwise, you can't choose your guy when you plug in. It's kind of a little bit hard to explain, but basically, yeah. So I'm going to, when I die here, I'm going to unplug it. And I'm going to see, all right, and now, oh, I unplugged it, and now I can play as this thing too. So I'm going to try to get myself killed here. So all it was just that cable unplugged itself. Thankfully, that's all it was. Okay, so now I'm plugged in on this side. So now I'm going to credit it up again. So, see, I'm plugged in over there, and I'm still Leonardo, but that is actually by design. They didn't build anything in there to fix that issue, so that's fine. But yeah, if you get 3 more of these and plug them all in, then you'll each be a different character. So that's good. So maybe I'll actually get more of these now that I know this thing works. Yep, that's my video. Have a good one. I'm glad this works now. Hey, Will, you want to play Ninja Turtles?
No thanks.
Well, at least it works.